Still spreading. As more testing takes place here in Maryland, we are seeing more cases of the coronavirus. But the number of people hospitalized is stabilizing. Hello, I'm Denise Koch.
And I'm Rick Ritter. While 50 more people were hospitalized in the last 24 hours, we know close to 90 have now been released.
More than 85,000 people have tested negative. WJZ is live with extensive team coverage. We begin with our investigator, Mike Helgren. He's at the convention center, which just opened as a field hospital. Mike?
Denise and Rick, 250 beds are available here. This was a partnership between Johns Hopkins and the University of Maryland Medical System, and it's part of the governor's plan to make more beds available statewide. The number of people in intensive care and acute care hospital beds in Maryland has increased by 50 total, along with both cases and deaths. Governor Hogan told CBS's Face the Nation Maryland is still not ready to reopen.
We can't stop the virus, but we've, at least up till now, stopped the overflow of our healthcare system, the overburdening of the ICU beds and ventilators and things like that.
The state has ramped up testing with more than 8,000 new tests in the past 24 hours.
We should have more assistance from the federal government on testing. I think we finally have driven that message home, and this week, just yesterday, we had another call with the vice president and his team. They've made some progress on making some more labs available, on trying to ramp up production of tests here in America.
Our governor's done a great job in pulling people together. It's not Republican, Democrat. It's coming together, making the right decisions to do what's right for our constituents.
The field hospital at the Baltimore Convention Center is opened and is accepting patients from hospitals around the city who are COVID-19 positive and still in need of medical attention as they recover, but not intensive care. Also, Maryland's Beacon unemployment website is up and running again after the state shut it down over the weekend. It's operating at slower speeds, and the Department of Labor says the vendor cannot guarantee those applying for unemployment won't face more technical difficulties.
There's a lot of people trying to get on that internet to file for unemployment, so hopefully that they got it all fixed and people are beginning to fill them out and start getting their checks.
Well, they're still working on it, and there are some changes to that website. It will close from 1 to 3 a.m. so that they can work on some of the technical problems. Also, you can't file new claims on Sundays and Mondays, and there's now a virtual waiting line because there's so much demand. Also today, we learned about 217 cases in the state's prison system. That's the latest number of infections. Most of those are officers. 157 correctional officers in the state have now been infected with COVID-19. Reporting live at the Convention Center, Mike Helgren, WJZ.